Good morning guys, and welcome back to a new video. And in this video we will go to the skywalk bridge. We are in Kanchanaburi right now, and we will go on the beautiful bike, on the very small tiny Thai bike. This bike tour is actually really great. I mean, there are not a lot of cars or bikes here. It's really calm. A little bit of nature, the bridge. Oh, what a cutie. These birds look so funny. They have a hammock. It's really cool. It's around 20 minutes of riding on the bike. Look how beautiful it is here. I think we are almost here, and this looks like a very nice park. And look how big the roads are. Wow, look at that statue. It's someone riding on a magic carp, I think. And this is the skywalk bridge. Alright, let's go. It was 60 baht per person, so that's quite cheap. But the security here is is better than at the airport. We have to do this over our shoes. No bags, no nothing. I don't know why, but there's nothing there to steal, right? Okay, we are here. This is the view. It is not very high, it's around 12 meters high. But if you look down, you get a little bit dizzy, right? Okay, don't look down. If you look down, you're like, oh, I'm so high. But it's a nice view on the river. It is almost 12 o'clock right now, and there are like 4 other persons. So if you want to go here, go at midday, because there's nobody else. Okay, so there are only 15 persons allowed on this one and only 10 on this one. So that's not very much. There is not a lot of people for this very big thing. Hopefully it stays strong. The view is nice though. Okay, the view was nice, but we are going down and grab a drink there, because it's like 39 degrees Celsius. It is freaking hot. So let's get down to the shadow and get some drinks. Fleur, I knew you were hot, but this hot? We are really hot, so let's get this drink. We've got this caramel cocoa shake, it's really good. Fleur got the passion fruit. We really have to cool down, it's very hot here. It is so hot. We have to cool down a bit. Step on it, Fleur, step on it. Put your face on it. It's cool, it's nice. Really refreshing. You need to cool down here. That is so much better. And now we are heading to a restaurant which is located near the river for just some ice cream and a cool shake. We arrived at Sky Coffee, put our bikes here, and it is so hot. It is not normal. So let's take a look here. Hopefully we have a place in the shadow next to the river with a wind. Oh, poor Fleur, she wanted the coconut ice cream so bad, but it is empty here. Oh, poor girl. Are you sad now?
I'm a little bit disappointed.
Oh, I've got a honey lemon soda with a view, and this view. And I got a waffle with some ice cream, and it looks like papaya or mango. We were just swimming for around 2 hours or so, because it was really hot and the swimming pool was amazing again. And I washed this t-shirt under the shower of the swimming pool, and it is already fully dry in like 30 minutes, 1 hour or something. And I'm going to the 7-Eleven right now to get some snacks for tonight. They got so much good stuff. This is the one I'm taking. I had this one yesterday, it's so good. But I see more here. Ooh, love it. It is 6 p.m. and we are a little bit hungry, and around the corner, just 2-minute walk, was a very good restaurant, I think, and we are looking for some khao soi. It has been 2 years since I ate it, so let's go. And I like my new flip-flops. This was the one. I want the original one. They have so many options. Whoa. But I believe that the khao soi is their specialty. Wow, take a look at this. Also looks really good. but I want this one. Chicken cow soy looks so good here. And it's a real family business, so if it's real busy, you can wait longer, but I don't give a shit. That's only a good thing. We only wait like 5 minutes, and this is the cow soy chicken. It looks really good. Fleur also got a coconut, and I got a drink in the same color as her dress. Enjoy. First, you gotta taste the soup. Oh, it's good, but it is spicy. Now let's take a bite of the noodles. This one's really good, but it is a spicy one, but it is really good. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
It's spicy, right?
Yeah.
I don't look forward to tomorrow, because tomorrow morning it will burn again. It is really spicy, really hot, and every bite is getting hotter, but it's really good. Also, the chicken is so soft. Look at this. You can just take it off the bone. We also got some extra chili, but I think if you take that, you will get a 3rd-degree burn in your mouth. Okay, I finished all the noodles and the chicken, but I'm not gonna drink the soup. My mouth is burning. You're doing real good, Fleur. But I can see that you take some air with you as well to cool down your mouth. Yeah, exactly. Actually, it ain't too bad anymore. I guess my mouth is just senseless. I don't feel anything anymore. It's nice. I don't feel it anymore. Okay, I made it to the bottom. Oh, Fleur still so far. The food was really good, and it only was 200 baht, which is €5.40 or something. Yeah, 40, something like that. And we are going to another night market tonight, so let's go. We are on the bike again, going to the night market, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but sometimes I see thunderstorms. I am really glad with this bike because it will be like a 30-minute walk at least. Oh my god. Check the thunderstorm. It is also getting a little bit windy, so I'm not sure if we stay dry. Oh, did you see that? Uh-oh. I think this is just a market and not the night market. It looks a little bit empty right now. Okay, let's find someone else.
Hey, do you want some spicy sweets? No.
Spicy sweets?
Chili
Really
look
spicy?
chup. I don't know.
Oh no, it's just sweets. We are looking for some dessert. Look how much cake. Oh, so many good stuff. I think I will take this one, banoffee raw crab. It looks really good. We bought some things at the 7-Eleven. This one again because it's so good. And some snacks for tonight, and also some Yakult or milk, because that will help with the spicy food, I hope, for tomorrow. Okay, we saw this store, and I mean, we had to stop. Some more ice cream. It was only 80 baht total, which is like 40 baht per person, and that's like €1.
For 2 big bowls.
So for 4 bowls of ice cream, it was only €2, and in the Netherlands it's already like $2.50 for 1 bowl. It's crazy expensive there.